Hi everyone, are you ready for a fun challenge? This video is all about my Stretch Your Imagination challenge for a chance to win a Cricut Joy Extra plus Everything bundle. It's a really fun challenge. Entries are open from November 4th through November 12th, 2023. Entries close at midnight Eastern on November 12th. I'm going to show you all the steps you need to complete every one in order for your entry to be valid. You might want to grab a pen and paper in case you want to jot down some notes. Of course, you can always come back and refer to this video again. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to check back and answer for you. I've written out these steps for you in case you'd like to jot down some notes. It does look complicated, but it's not. It's probably something you've done many, many times already. In this challenge, you're going to use an image that is unique to my group. You may see this challenge in other groups. We all have the same bundle to give away. It's not different by group, but the image is different by group. So you can't create a project in my group and then take that same image and enter in another group. Each group will have their own unique image to use. So you're going to use, in my group, you're going to use M like Michael, 4ED, 0EF, 1, 2. I will show you that image and hopefully give you some ideas of what you can do with it. You can enter once a day, every day until the challenge closes, but every entry must be a unique project. So you can't create one project and enter with it every day. Each time you enter, you have to have a different project, but always using this image or at least part of the image. I'll show you that. So step number 2, you're going to complete your project, whether it's an image you cut from vinyl or iron-on or infusible ink or print then cut. It's completely up to you what you do with the image. Once you've completed your project, you're going to upload a photo of your completed project to Design Space and give your project a title, fill in the description, and add tags. Make your project public in Design Space and copy the project link to share. Then you're going to go over to my Facebook group, Carol's Cricut Crafts, where you'll post the photo of your completed project. You're going to tag your post with SYI Challenge. That stands for Stretch Your Imagination, SYI Challenge. And you're going to share your project link there. And that's all you have to do. Super simple. So I'm going to show you the image, give you some ideas of what you can do with it or how you can use it, and we'll run through the rest of the steps just to make sure you've got them. But of course, as I mentioned, if you have any questions, just add a comment below this video or even in my Facebook group, and I'll watch for your questions and answer everything I can. So these are some projects I've set up to hopefully give you some ideas of what you can do with the image. This larger one here is the original image. This is how it looks. I will share the link for these projects. You're not obliged to use them. The only thing you have to use in full or in part is this image that I've recorded. So I set up print and cut tags. I did stickers and labels. The stickers and labels I have completed and I'll show them to you, and I'll share the link for those exclusively. Sublimation coasters, infusible ink coasters. Don't forget, if you make either of these, you need to mirror your image before you print or before you cut. I've set up this one for vinyl, for iron-on or infusible ink. Let's ungroup this. I also wanted to give you an idea of ways you can change this image. So I took out Christmas and added Happy Holiday instead of Happy Christmas. I took out all the text, duplicated the little sprigs, and added a Santa face. I used this one in the center. I used on a pillow cover. I'll share the link for that one too. And of course, I'm going to leave all these in this project. So if you want any of them, you can take them. On this last one, I duplicated the original twice. I used contour on one to take out the sprigs. And on the second one, I used contour to take out everything except the sprigs. I made those green and put them back. So you can really play with this image. I wanted to select an image that was pretty, nice as is, but definitely something you could play with if you wanted to change it up. On this final one, I removed everything except the Happy Christmas. You can definitely use contour to select elements of this image that you want to use in another way. I hope this is really going to be fun for you. So let's say I've chosen a project, I've created the project, I've taken a photo of the project, and I'm ready to start sharing. I'm going to My Stuff. Click the three dots and go to Edit Project Details. You probably know how to do all this. I'm going to browse, select the image I want to use and open it. Much too close up. I'm going to edit photo and take the image down smaller and apply. And I'm going to add a title, fill in the description, and add some tags. You want to do that and save. Now I'm going to click on Share Image. Share in Design Space. I'm not going to do that while I'm recording this video because the challenge hasn't begun yet, but you're going to want to share to Design Space, and once you've done that, you want to copy the project link. I'm going to copy my private link for now, just so that I can complete the next steps. We'll close that. And we'll X out. I'm going to reload my page so that you can see the image installed on my project. And there it is. Oh, and you can see the labels I made, the stickers, and the pillow cover. I think they're all really cute. I will share the links for these also in case you want any of those projects, and this one in case you want them all. But as I mentioned, you can do whatever you like with the image, but you must use the image. So let's go to my Facebook group. That's the next step. I'm going to create a post. I'm going to add my project image. There it is. And did you know you can edit the image? If I'm seeing too much background, I can select crop and bring it in. There we go. And save. Better. I'm going to type my tag. And I'm going to add my project link. There we go. And then I'll post. Of course, as I mentioned, I'm not going to complete these steps yet. At the time that I'm recording this video, the challenge hasn't begun. So that's all there is to enter. I'm sure you've done these steps many, many times, and it's not difficult. I can't wait to see the projects you create. I'm really excited about this challenge and giveaway. Good luck, everyone. I will add a link to my Facebook group in the description under this video. That's where you can enter this challenge. As mentioned, don't hesitate. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please take a moment to like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't already. Thank you for watching.